Alright guys, I'm going to show you guys how to get pretty good at trading Forex fairly faster than you would normally. This trick lets you study on the weekends the way the market moves. And the way the market moves is a big thing about finding trends and knowing good retracement periods and just being able to spot good support and resistance lines. This is especially useful if you're trying to trade uh, quite often. Some people like to trade only once or twice a week. Other people like to trade several trades a day. And this is really good for those people that want to trade several times a day as the market's moving. Now, it all starts with NinjaTrader. So I'm going to have a link to NinjaTrader in the description for you to download NinjaTrader. You don't have to do any of the extra stuff with it. This is a free download. You just have to enter in your email address. You don't need any of the live data. You can get it if you want to. It's not necessary. Like, you can go through the whole sign up procedure and just not do any of this stuff, not get any of this stuff. Uh, once you download NinjaTrader, it's going to ask you for a login to something. You could just hit skip. You don't actually need to log in. All this stuff, you don't need to log in to anything. You don't need to buy anything. You don't have to sign up for anything. But you do need the actual NinjaTrader platform. So once you get the NinjaTrader platform, you have it downloaded on your computer. You're going to open it up. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is go to connections, and you're going to want to go to Kintech, end of the day. And this lets you download the stuff that you need to download. Now, you're going to need to come to tools. There's a lot of stuff to this program. This is just one piece of it, but it's a very, very important piece. So you're going to want to go to import. Oops, I don't know why I hit that one. You want to go to import, and you're going to want to hit historical data. And then you want to get market replay data. And now you're going to want to do this for several days. You want to do each date for the instrument that you're using. I already downloaded a whole bunch for Euro USD, and I'm going to show you what it looks like when you do it. I used to use this a long time ago. For some reason, every once in a while, you have to re-download everything. My NinjaTrader stopped opening, and I lost all my data that I had. But since it's free, it's not a huge deal. So you want to go to connections. You want to disconnect from Kintech. You're going to have to disconnect before you do anything. And then you're going to go and you're going to connect to playback connections. Playback connection. Now, then after that, you're going to go to tools, new. You're going to go to new. Then you go to chart. Then you select the instrument that you use. I did, like I said, Euro USD. And then just boom, this is all going to be whatever. You're going to hit OK. Because you can only use it for the data that you downloaded. So I downloaded the 1st through the 6th. So then I do that, and then I hit play. And this is, like I said, this is really cool for the weekends. And then it actually plays the data. And you don't have to do 1 minute. I could switch it and be like, ooh, 5-minute data. And then that's the 5-minute bar. And what's cool is you can speed it up too. So I could be like, boom, max. So now these are all 5-minute charts or 5-minute candles. And I'm watching them how I would have watched them in real time. So I could slow it down to 1. So you could actually watch how the candles form. Like when you're not trading on the weekdays. Or you could just, like I said, you could fast forward it and watch it that way. So it's very interesting. It's a very good way to learn stuff pretty fast if you take the time to just watch it from time to time. I've spent a couple hours watching this before. Sometimes it gets a little bit tedious, but if you're just watching TV, you just throw this on your laptop and then you watch TV, and every once in a while you glance at this, look at how it's going, you take guesses, and it's a good way to learn. At least for technical analysis, you gotta be a little bit more hands-on for the fundamental analysis part with this. But if you're just trying to learn technical analysis, this is a really good tool to learn